Dear student, welcome back to our NIPS home school. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Shiuly Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, so today I am going to take your home science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is creative question 1. Today we will discuss creative question 1 from chapter 7. So let's get started our class. Class 6, subject home science, topic creative question answer 1, chapter 7. Ever smiling and happy Neela has suddenly become calm and quiet. She keeps confined within her room and barely talks to others. She doesn't feel interested in taking food also. Seeing such a condition in which Neela is currently in her mother tries to talk about her physical state. Neela, though feeling constrained at first, became gradually normal with her mother. So here are given 4 creative questions based on this topic, based on this statement. So number 1, when does the body need excess food and energy during its rapid development? B, lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. Explain. Number C, explain the type of physical change which makes Neela behave as above. Number D, role of Neela's mother will make Neela used to make normal behaviors. Show logic in support of this sentence. Now we will discuss the first question. When does the body need excess food and energy during its rapid development? Number 1 answer. Number A, during the puberty period, the body needs excess food and energy of its rapid development. So during the puberty, our body needs excess food and energy for our development. Number 2, lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. Explain. Number B answer. During the period of puberty, changes take place in the state of mind as well as in behaviors simultaneously with physical changes. Adequate food and energy is necessary for children for their rapid physical growth. They become easy victims of fatigue. So it can be said that lack of adequate nutritious food causes malnutrition. Number C, explain the type of physical change which makes Neela behave as above. Answer C number. Neela was ever smiling and happy. Now she barely talks to others and does not feel interested in talking food too. She likes to remain calm and quiet. Neela's age is responsible for her change behavior. Neela is going through puberty. So there are rapid physical changes in Neela simultaneously with the changes in the state of mind. Neela's behavior is the result of her rapid physical changes. Number D, the role of Neela's mother will make Neela used to make normal behaviors. Show logic support of this sentence. Number D, due to some sort of hesitation and timidity working within her, Neela does not tell anyone of her several changes and problems that she confronts at the age of puberty. Even smiling happy Neela has suddenly become calm and quiet. Some abnormal behavior are seen in her. So her mother tries to talk openly with her. The hesitation and timidity working within her will be increased by she will be able to know that the matter she considers as a problem, she is actually a normal and natural change during adolescence. If the problem of this age are discussed with any dependable person, their advice will help her to get rid of the anxieties of this age. So I think that the role played by Neela's mother will help her to make her habituated to normal behavior. So this is our creative question number 1. Student, today's homework number 5 and topic creative question C from 1. Creative question 1. This one, C, explain the type of physical change which makes Neela behave as above. This one, C, Neela was ever smiling and happy. It was your homework. So student, do your homework at home and submit on next Saturday. Thank you all of you. See you in next class.